Ningbo FLGK Intelligent Technology Company Limited was founded in 2017. Its predecessor is Ningbo Fuchuan Machinery Company Limited, that specializes in manufacturing high-speed and high-precision punching machines. The company is located in Sishi City, Ningbo City, Zhejiang Province, PRC. The occupied area is larger than 30,000 square meters. Every reform in industrial manufacture changes the trend of the times. Every breakthrough of FLGK is for pursuing dreams. FLGK captures the development
opportunities of intelligent manufacturing. Adheres to the operation principle, quality first, service
paramount, trustworthy, contribution to the society with rich experience of punching machine manufacturing for 20 years, and guarantees perfect
professional, precise, and standard design and
manufacturing. Product design, processing, and assembly in FLGK are being improved continuously. To reach the precision required in design, our engineers need to do innumerable tests and detections to guarantee the precision and stability of every product. During the years of development, the product tonnage range of FLGK has been from 16 tons of C-type to 400 tons of portal type. The largest number of strokes can be 1,000 SPM. Some advanced technologies are applied, including cast body, eccentric shaft design, dynamic balance device, disconnect type clutch and brake, sawtooth oil pressure locking, forced circulation lubricating touchscreen, and numerical control. The bearings imported from Europe and Japan are used to improve the quality, efficiency, and reliability of products and guarantee long service life. The products have passed ISO9001 certification, CE certification, etc., and achieved top-class performance of products of the same kind in the world. The products have been widely applied to automobiles, home appliances, electric machinery and appliances, instruments and apparatus, medical apparatus and instruments, hardware, etc. Up to now, FLGK has set offices in Guangdong, Chongqing, Shandong, Jiangsu, and Zhejiang. Manufacturing industry of the whole world has been in the era of intelligent manufacturing. We are making efforts to meet clients' demand of punching machines and manufacturing technique. All-around processing solutions can be customized flexibly to meet clients' demand. Technicians of the company are assigned to supply professional technical support to clients in whole process. This helps the company to maintain sustainable production and higher efficiency. Experiencing intensive and meticulous development for more than 20 years, FLGK will focus on technology development and product innovation. Realize the dream of manufacturing competitive products and serving the country through industry, and make efforts to be a new brand model in punching industry in the future.